Here it is, guys and gals! Time to reveal for how much coins that I have saved. Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. Guys, you will never believe. Last week, I had 3,450. Now, I've got a whopping of 3,848 pesos. Yes! See that? Guys, you can do it, okay? And to those who are saving until now, congratulations. Keep it up. Don't worry. For as long as you have this kind of eagerness and willingness and this kind of focus, you can have it all. Guys, time is running. Not because it's Christmas countdown that you are saving. But as always, every day of your life, inspire yourself, okay? Keep on saving. Wow!